Hello, welcome to Here We Go. In this introductory lesson, let's talk about the basic rule of liberties and capture. So we now know that we're placing black and white stones on these intersections. So what happens if I place one stone on the board like this is that there are four intersections that are right next to it. And we call these liberties. So these four intersections marked by triangles are called liberties. And the rule is if a stone or a group of stones have one or more liberties left, they get to remain on the board. However, if the opposing side, and in this case, if we allow white to occupy all four liberties, then the stone must be removed from the board. We can say that white has captured this one black stone because this black stone has no liberties left. Similarly, if we place a black stone on the side here, how many liberties does it have? Well, we just count the points that are adjacent to this black stone, and the answer is 3. If you place it on the side, it has 3 liberties. And if white occupies all 3 liberties, like this, then this black stone must be removed. Now, what if we place one stone here on the corner? We place a white stone here on the corner. How many liberties does it have? And the answer is 2, because there are 2 points that are adjacent to this white stone. And if we allow black to occupy both points, then this white stone must be removed. What about 2 stones together? How many liberties do these 2 stones have? Again, we count how many points are right next to these 2 stones. The answer is 6, which means if black occupies all 6 points, then these 2 white stones must be removed from the board because they are captured by black. In real game situations, however, you usually count how many liberties are left, not how many liberties are there in total. For instance, slightly complicated pattern here. If we want to count how many liberties these 5 white stones have, we usually count how many are left, and in this case it's 3. In real game situations, it doesn't really matter how many liberties are there in total. It matters how many are left. Similarly for black, if we want to know how many liberties are there for these 3 black stones, then the answer would be 3. 1, 2, and 3. And that's what you care about in real game situations. One final reminder is that Go is not a game of capture. Even though beginners usually learn about capturing liberties and a lot of capture methods at the beginning, Go is a game of territories, and capturing is only a tool to achieve greater objectives. So as a recap, today we talked about liberties, which are intersections that are adjacent to a stone. And once there are no liberties, those stones must be removed. And finally, in a real game, you have to count how many liberties are left. And please remember that Go is not a game of capture. Capturing your opponent's pieces can be good and can be bad. Thank you for watching.